Guys, I'm bored and snowed in, so I'm gonna film some snow. This. We don't have any snow like all winter long. Maybe just like a few flurries here and there. And then this is the shit storm that has brewed up since last night. Like maybe around 6 o'clock last night. Here you go. Voila. What the hell is this? That is supposed to be a car there. Yeah, take a look at that. Ridiculous. That's a truck there. That's going to be a snowmobile really soon. Oh, that's supposed to be a car there too, that hump. That's not a hill. Barely our car. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, that's what has been thrusted upon us on this day. So what are you guys doing to cope with this snowstorm that has suddenly just been casted upon us? Are you guys like looking to like burn it? Because if you are, I'm so down. But only thing is, just can't drive to you because apparently there's a traveling ban and you get a $300 fine according to my one friend, which I'm not paying. And I'm not walking in this either. So maybe if I require like a flamethrower or something, maybe I'll burn the snow and like walk around in it. But as far as that, I'm staying the hell out of it. That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna stay in, play some guitar, and play some video games, and then that's my day. Yeah, might go on you now maybe. But what are you guys doing today if you're caught in a similar situation like this? I mean, comment below. And if you like this video or you like any of my other videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button at the bottom there. Alright guys, have a good one.